What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Just gonna get right into it today. Casing some bloodworms at the Delaware, seeing if we could find a few before they make their way completely up. And that's the plan for today. Maybe throw some other stuff, but I'm thinking maybe we can get on some shorts at least. I'm thinking at least a few fish. It is getting late in April, so they should be coming through here.
Waiting 3 hours for this fish. It's not even big. Where is he? Oh damn, not big. Little guy. We'll take it. First fish of the day here. Little bass. Waited 3 hours for this guy. Goes. Dang. All right. Size fish. Another small bass here. Little bloodworm.
Tough fishing out here today, guys. 2 fish in 5 hours. Channel cat. It's gonna have to do for now. We'll take it. Alright, boys, trevor fishing got pretty boring there for a second with the just waiting with the bloodworms got old. So now we're doing some freshwater fishing, seeing if we can catch some freshwater fish. Private lake adds a little bit more excitement to it. Oh shit. What a bait fish on here. Oh god. There's one more release over there. God damn. Just got done wrestling this freaking pickerel. Very sad, man. Nonetheless, good fight. It's going back. Still waiting to catch a bass, man, this time of year. Largemouth, man. Nothing but pickerels. First bass. First bass of the year. Yes. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, yo. This little guy. But it's a fish. And it's a bass. That's what I'm talking about. His first largemouth of the year. It's a big deal here for me. I'm pumped. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I know it was all over the place, but I appreciate you sticking around and watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.